Good morning, class 9. Good morning. Yesterday I had told you that I will take the test on poetic devices, and today is the day. As you all can see that I have written some sentences on the board, and you have to identify that these sentences belongs to which poetic device. So can you answer? Can you give the definition of poetic device? What is the definition? Poetic devices are used to enhance or beautify the poems. These are the tools used by the writers or the poets to enhance their poems or the works, right? So I will randomly call some students, and that student has to identify the sentences belongs to which poetic device. So who should I call first? Let's start with the girls today. I would like to call Suman. Fast.
It's a lion when comes to the field. This sentence belongs to metaphor.
Why can we say?
When we compare any sentence,
When we compare anything.
likely that it's metaphor.
Good. Come. Clap for her. Next I would like to call Jagyansu.
This sentence belongs to metaphor as it does direct comparison between Sharon, night and Sharon.
As it is a direct comparison between Sharon.
Night.
Sharon is being called night owl. Good. You can go. Nice. Naveed. Fast please.
His whole was like a bird. This sentence belongs to the simile.
Simile. Why we can say this simile?
Because if you compare using that as, then we can say it is simile.
Very nice. Good. When the things, animals or any person is being compared with as or like, then we can call it simile. Next, I would like to call Sakshik. Did the fourth one? Which one you are?
The answer was as grateful as swan.
Graceful. It is graceful. The dancer was as graceful as swan.
This is metaphor.
Metaphor. How?
Because he was comparing that things.
No. Here it is used simile because as has been used, and I have told you when as and like will be there in the sentence, it is simile. No issue. You can go. Next, Sheila.
Anita carried book or pen of paper that seemed to be before writing. This sentence belongs to hyperbole.
Why can we say it hyperbole?
This said in very
Exaggerated form. Good. You can go. Next, Ayan.
My brother said he had a things to do when he was actually sitting idle. So the hyperbole is used in this sentence. As we can clearly see in the definition, which is now indicating the exaggeration sense. That's it.
Very nice. Good. Amit, come. Read the sentence. It is already done. Read the G. Alone, along.
They talk about the love of her life. Alliteration.
How? Why we can say it alliteration? How?
Initial constant count, if there is a word.
Because in all the words the initial letter is repeated, right? Like we can see it in the alone and alone. A is repeated, and from there lonesome L, lake L, Lucy L, longed L is being repeated. That's why it is alliteration. Good, go. Saima, come.
the basic crackle of the fire camp
Calmed,
come to our hearts and
cleansed our souls.
our souls. It is alliteration.
Why?
Because the initial words repeated C and C.
Good, very nice. So thank you class. I think you all understand these 4 poetic devices very well.